Hey my people, you are welcome back again to be this Airways TV, your number one channel of choice when we talk about trending woman hairstyles, trending black women hairstyles. These styles are classy, beautiful and gorgeous that you can rock to any occasion of yours. As a woman, it's very important that you look good all the time. Even if you are 30, 40, 50, 70, every age group needs to look good all the time, and taking good care of yourself, of your hair is very important, and that's our priority at BJ's Airways TV. Today's video is really all about short cut for natural hair on black women hair. As you can see the excitement in this gorgeous woman's face, she looks so happy and excited with her new look, and as you can see she's 70 but she looks younger than her age. She looks very beautiful with this new cut on her head. All the styles in this video are very beautiful. Just make sure you watch the video from the beginning to the end, and you'll be glad you did. All these women are very excited about their new looks. Taking good care of your hair is very important. You look presentable, you look gorgeous, you look breathtaking everywhere you go. Look at this woman, she's so happy and she's also excited. So look at this woman also. She looks very wow, she looks very excited. She's shedding tears of joy. As you can see the styles rolling by on your screen. Just please sit back, relax and enjoy this video from the beginning to the end, and you'll be glad you did. All props and credits in this video goes to our creative hairstylist who puts all the styles together and avail all the opportunity to showcase the styles to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. Enjoy it, and please don't forget to like, comment your favorite short haircut style below at the comment section, and also subscribe for everyday beauty and hairstyle tips from Bridges Airways TV. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you and have a lovely weekend ahead.
Yeah.